Miracle is laying next to this huge pine tree. I'll walk around it to show everybody just how big it is, and I'm sure it cannot be appreciated on my cheap camera, but it's massive. And there's Miracle. This is one of my favorite trees on the whole property. I love it. And now Miracle's relaxing in the shade under the tree, aren't you, baby? Yes. But, I mean, this tree is just huge. And Miracle chose to come out here on his own. I let him walk around out here with me close by, without holding on to him. He's not forced to do anything. He's doing what he wants within reason. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching and all of your kind words. I really do appreciate it.